Hello everyone. I welcome you all to Connect to Roots, where I, Kesa Fatima, will take you to the series of learning. So let me first tell you what Connect to Roots is all about. Connect to Roots Foundation, a non-profit organization established with a steadfast commitment to uplifting underprivileged graduate students in India, focuses on providing them with essential skills and training to excel in today's competitive job market. Through tailored programs in Microsoft Excel proficiency, IT software fundamentals, and BPO basics, the foundation equips participants with practical knowledge crucial for securing employment. Beyond technical expertise, Connect to Roots Foundation nurtures confidence and fosters a growth mindset and offers mentorship to empower professional journey by forging partnerships with industry leaders, offering hands-on training, and emphasizing soft skills development. The foundation ensures graduates are not only job ready but poised for long-term success. With a track record of transforming lives and creating tangible impact, Connect to Roots Foundation continues to expand its reach, aiming to break barriers and build pathways for opportunity for underprivileged communities across India. So let's go ahead with the video. Namaskar. Welcome you all to our business development session where we'll explore ways to grow business and reach new heights. I am Kaisa Fatima and I'll take you to this series of business development. बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट का मतलब होता है बिजनेस को बढ़ाना और नई ऊंचाइयों को छूना. It's all about expanding horizons and creating opportunities for growth. So let's dive in together and see how we can take our business to the next level. पर उससे पहले हम ये जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि अगर हम इस डोमेन को चूज करें तो हमें क्या-क्या करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल सकती हैं. So for your understanding, I have listed down a few of the career opportunities, but there's a lot more to know. So I'll be talking about a few of them because of the timing constraints. So the very first one is customer relationship expert. The person who specializes in building and maintaining strong relationship with customer to enhance loyalty and satisfaction. Second is market expansion specialist, a person who focuses on identifying and capitalizing on opportunities to grow business and market presence and reach new customers also at the same time. The next is entrepreneurial Mavic, a bold and unconventional entrepreneur who fearlessly explores new ideas and approaches in their business. The next one is strategic business planner, the person who designs and implements strategic plans to guide their business growth and achieve long-term objectives. The next one is innovative product developer. As the title suggests, they are the people who are very innovative. They keep a track of what is the current trend and they try to create groundbreaking products by integrating new ideas and technologies to meet evolving market needs. And the last one I'll talk about is sales leadership guru. These are the people who demonstrate exceptional leadership qualities and skills in driving sales teams to achieve outstanding results and surpass target. And as you know, a business is dependent on sales and profits to sustain. These are the people who are very important for a company. So now let's look into what is business development and what is sales process. So let's look into what actually business development means. So business development is a strategic and proactive approach undertaken by organizations to identify, create and nurture opportunities for growth and expansion. ये एक नई उड़ान है बिजनेसमैन के लिए जहां वो नए मौके ढूंढते हैं अपने बिजनेस की ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए. It encompasses a set of activities and initiatives aimed at building long-term value for the business. इसमें एक set of activities और initiatives शामिल होते हैं जो value creation मतलब बिजनेस की वैल्यू बढ़ाने में मदद करते हैं. सेल्स प्रोसेस एक सिस्टमैटिक और स्ट्रक्चर्ड सीरीज ऑफ स्टेप्स है जो एक पोटेंशियल कस्टमर को कॉन्टेक्ट से लेकर सक्सेसफुल परचेज तक लेकर जाते हैं। In this journey, business development or sales team ka dance is crucial. Business development set the stage, hunt for opportunities, and build relationships. And then sales teams come in as the shining stars of execution, turning leads into customers. So remember, business development and sales without each other, the business complete picture cannot be painted. Together, they are the powerhouse driving a company towards growth and success. So now let's look into the key components of business development. So first off we have market research. ये एक डिटेक्टिव की तरह काम करता है to understand what people want to buy. For example, think about McDonald's. वो जानना चाहते हैं कि लोग किस तरह का खाना पसंद करते हैं और उनके लिए कितने पैसे खर्च कर सकते हैं. So they ask questions like which foods are popular and what ads do people pay attention to. फिर they use this information to make their customers happy. And for example, just now they have introduced two more outlets both in Amritsar and in Vaishnav Devi, which is purely vegetarian based because people visit this two holy place and they prefer vegetarian food for their meals. Next, there are strategic partnerships. ये तब होता है जब two companies team up to help out each other. Like when ICICI Bank and Vodafone joined forces to create a cool mobile money service called M-Pesa. By working together, they both benefit and can reach more customers. नेटवर्किंग इज अनदर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. ये सब बिजनेस की दुनिया में दोस्त बनाने के बारे में होता है. This helps companies find new opportunities and make important connections for the future. For example, when Flipkart partnered with Aditya Birla Fashion, they were able to boost their sales by working together. And then there's lead generation. This is about finding people who might want to buy your stuff and telling them about it. It's like fishing for customers. Companies use smart strategies to find these potential buyers and get them interested in what you are selling. So now let's look into the objectives of business development. Market expansion. So market expansion is a factor that differentiates a company with its competitors in terms of market share. Why market expansion is important? Market expansion is important because when we expand our market size, we end up getting more customers, we end up reaching out to more customers, which can be our potential customers, and we can create a new product for their own demand. So that can help a business to grow further. Next is revenue growth. Sales team is responsible for the major revenue of a business, as more sales could imply to more profits and more profits could imply to future and further growth of a company. Next up we have diversification. For example, Dabur company, they have been working in the field of medicines. They are creating medicines based on herbs and homeopathic process. But now, after so many years of getting more and more profit, उन्होंने डाइवर्सिफाई किया है और वो होम केयर, हेल्थ केयर और बहुत सारी चीजों में प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. जैसे कि मेडिसिन के साथ साथ उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया शैम्पू. So this is how they are diversifying their products to reach more and more customers by sales development. Next up we have risk mitigation. अगर आपकी रेवेन्यू ज्यादा है, अगर आपकी कंपनी के पास प्रॉफिट ज्यादा है, तो आप अपने रिस्क को कम कर सकते हैं उनके लिए प्रोविजन बनाकर या फिर अपने प्रॉफिट से कुछ हिस्सा दैट इज रिटेन्ड अर्निंग्स बचाकर, ताकि आपको फ्यूचर में किसी अनसर्टेनिटी का सामना करना पड़े तो आपके पास पर्याप्त पैसे होने चाहिए. So now let's look into sales process and let's know more about the transformation of a lead to a potential customer. So first, there's prospecting. This is like fishing for potential customers. Software companies use things like ads, social media, and online content that can help people to find the person who is interested in their product. For example, Tesla uses online ads and social media to find people who might be interested in electric cars. Once they find potential customers, they move on to lead qualification. This is where they figure out if these leads are worth pursuing. They look at things like if the customers has enough money, if they are the right person to talk to, if they are really in need of that particular product, or when they might be ready to buy those products. It's like sorting through a bag of apples to find the rippest ones. Next up is need analysis. This is all about understanding what the customer really needs. Software companies talk to the customer to figure out what actually the problem they are facing and how that particular product can solve their problem. It's like a doctor asking questions to understand what's wrong with the patient. For example, if you want to go out for summers to hang out with your friends, you would need a particular dress to wear on a beach site. So this is how a software would know what actually your need is and how actually the product can satisfy your need. Then comes product presentation and demonstration. This is where they show off the product to the customer. They customize their presentation to match what the customer needs and let them try out the product. If they like it, it's very good for the company. It's like a chef letting you taste a sample of their cooking before you order. For example, Domino's has this very user-friendly interface in their app where you can customize your product and you can get your product with free of delivery or some discounts. These are the strategies made by companies for you to try out the product at the first and earliest stage. After that, they create a customized proposal. This is like drawing up a plan for the customer. They explain how the product can help them and how much it will cost. It's like a builder giving you a detailed estimate for renovating your house. For example, Mahindra is the client for Hotel Taj. If they want to host a meeting there, they would want to know what is the theme. They would tell them what should be the menu, what should be the appearance of the whole room, and how will it look like, what is the timing. So they will customize it according to their own needs, and then Hotel Taj will let them know what is the cost they are going to charge for that particular meeting. Next is negotiation. This is where they talk about the details and make changes about the customer wants. They try to find out a deal that works for both of them. It's like hanging with a street vendor to get the best price for something you want to buy. So once they agree on everything, they close the deal. This is like shaking hands to seal the agreement. They make sure all the paperwork is in order so that they can get started with their deal. Then comes implementation planning. This is where they figure out how to give or how to handle the product to the customer. They make a plan and decide when everything will happen. It's like making a schedule for a big project. And after the product is delivered and used by the customer, they do a post-sale follow-up. This is where they check in with the customer to make sure everything is going smoothly. If they are in any problem, they fix them right away. It's like calling to see if you are happy with your new product. Finally, there's customer support and relationship management. This is all about keeping the customer happy. In the long run, they offer help when needed and keep a track of everything to make sure that they are doing a great job. It's like having a friendly neighbor who's always there to lend a hand whenever you need. So that's the sales process for a company in a nutshell. It's all about finding the right customers, understanding their needs, and making sure that they are happy with what they get. Hope that helps. Thank you so much.